Module 3. Images. MicroPython has a series of images built into it that you can access without having to design them individually. Make sure you have the code on line 1 first. You can display an image with the code display.show open brackets image.imagename close brackets. For example, display.show open brackets image.uppercase rabbit close brackets, or display.show open brackets image.happy close brackets. You can find a full list of images on the URL at the bottom of this page. It's important that you use the correct case. Rabbit is all in capitals because the name is stored in Python all in capitals. If you put it in lowercase, it will produce an error. The images are all made from the microbits grid of 25 red LEDs, 5x5. These LEDs represent pixels in an image. A pixel is a single coloured dot of square, and lots of pixels make an image. You can create your own images by setting the value of each pixel row by row. A pixel can be on with full brightness, it has the value 9, or completely off, it has the value 0. Or with varying levels of brightness between 1 and 8. As you can see in the top right-hand corner, the first row has the code 00900. This is because the first two LEDs have no colour. They are completely turned off, so both have the value 0. This third pixel has the value 9 because it's completely on. When you've finished programming the first row, you move on to the next. You should store your image with a name. Here I've called my image cross image. The name must have no spaces in it. It must start with a letter but can have numbers within it. But it should be meaningful. It describes what it is storing. On line 3, we have the name of our image and then the code equals image open brackets quotation mark. Then put in the code for each row of the LEDs with a colon between each line. E.g., I first have 90009. This is the code for the first row, and the colon tells the computer to move to the second row. After all the rows, you close the speech marks and the brackets. Now you have stored your image, you need to display it using the name of your image and the same code from earlier. Display.show open brackets cross image close brackets. Try it out using your microbit. You can put multiple display statements one under the other, but at the moment your microbit will flash the images one straight after the other really fast. You can slow it down by making the microbit sleep between each image. The microbit counts in milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds equals 1 second. If you want to display the first image, then wait 2 seconds, add the code sleep open brackets 2000 close brackets between the two images. There are other ways of showing multiple images, which you will learn about in the animation module.